Hi beautiful and amazing people, my name is Anita Mitra. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am speaking right from Uganda, Kampala, East Africa. For those of you watching me for the very first time, you're most welcome. Kindly be a part of this family by subscribing to my channel and also make it a point to like this video. Otherwise, I hope you guys are doing great and I hope God is protecting all of you. In today's video, we are going to do a transformation. Just like in the previous video, we are transforming a house into something extremely beautiful. So there is this old woman whose house we are going to transform today, and I want all of you guys to be a part of this whole process with me. Recently, a gentleman called Steve reached out to me and requested me to identify 2 elderly women who needed food support. I went to the field and identified them, reported to him and told them about these elderly women. Steve reached out by buying for these women food for 2 months. You guys saw the video. I did the video. For those who didn't watch the video, I might put it here just in case I remember. In case I don't, kindly go through my videos and watch it. I think it's like the third last video I did. So when Steve watched this video, he was so happy about how grateful these women were when they received this food, and he also noticed that their environment was so untidy. The houses where they lived were so untidy, and then they had cobwebs everywhere. So Steve said that there is a high chance that the environment these women are living in is what is making them sick every now and then, because these old women were complaining about falling sick all the time. So what did Steve do? He reached out to me and told me that we should go ahead and renovate their houses for them. So you guys, that is what we have been doing for the past 1 week. As you saw in the previous video, we renovated the first old woman's house, and in today's video we are going to renovate the second old woman's house. So I want you guys to be a part of this journey. Let's renovate this house with you guys from A to Z. At the end of the video, kindly comment down below and tell us what you think about this gesture, what you think about this renovation. Just to tell you a little something about the elderly woman whose house we are renovating today. This is an old woman who had 12 children. Unfortunately, she lost 11 of them, and currently she's only survived by 1 child who is also not doing well. She's also survived by so many grandchildren, and currently she's staying with 2 of her grandchildren, and she's solely responsible for feeding them, looking after them, taking them to school and all those things. So literally she's passing through a lot to look after these children and also look after her own self. So what does she do? She wakes up every morning, goes to the roadside and starts begging. She begs people moving at the roadside for 500 shillings, 1,000 shillings just to feed her family. That is the kind of person whose house we are renovating today. So if you're out there and you really want to extend more support to them, kindly reach out and let's support these women. I know at their old age they can't do much. Even if you are to find them a job, it might be very, very hard, because the woman whose house we are renovating today is 92 years. She said she's 92 years. So literally a 92-year-old can't do much. All she needs is support from all of us. So if you have any support you would like to extend to her, I'll leave my WhatsApp number in the description box down below. Kindly reach out to me and let's support these women. Otherwise, let's go into this whole process of renovating her house. I hope you guys enjoy the outcome.
Sometimes I wish my daddy was here so I could get a little hold of what a daddy could give. I saw my dreams fade in the streams of the daddy running water has a side on the streets. Sometimes I wish my dreams were real. I would have been a little different in viewing me. I saw my hopes fade in the streams of the daughter running water has a side on the streets. He ain't up on me even if you brought me roses. My grandmama told me every day I know it. It took a little longer to truly appreciate who I am and stop holding to illusions like a hole in my mind. Surely I've seen it sitting on the sea, so the world keep on turning around till you hear a bingo. They told me about a God, I wanna know him more. He told me to be humble so we could let me know. He ain't up on me, ain't up on my clothing, ain't up on my story, ain't up on my glory. It's all about you. You brought me this far from nowhere. I give you all the glory. You deserve much better when I know this. They're running back to my roots in the fast lane, hoping you could hack me on the same day. Gracious, nice, no skate. They was looking at me saying that I'm so fake. Now we've been rolling many years under this rate. I feel your strong hand on me, my chest. I'm gonna press a little harder with no games, cause I know where I'm going out, no stress. Sometimes I wish you were sitting right beside me, I would definitely win.
Bambi muzikung'anyawo
kati abantu gwe lwokoye tubawa olwotuwa nebiteekoomu wetuusa ogenda mu kyalo nga nange mbatwalira abatalina kubanga waliyo n'abatalina abalala
ya kituufu
egyo emigugu egiri awo
Bambi mwebale nnyo mwebale nedda kyeŋŋamba jjajja bulijjo osula mu kisenge kikyekyo kati twagala tudaalirize mubere ng'osulamu oleme kusula eri
kwegamba osule ewantu awalungi
fereme kuyingira nnyo
atleast ebintu bisobola okuddayo mu kisenge jjajja n'afuna awasula bulungi
ologedde Luganda olutaata wanyu
ate nga kirungi n'omuntu aba azza okukulaba
era naye aba akoma wano
ate siga nti kansooke ngende mu kisenge
nze engeri gyempulira essanyu ne Mukama okwagala nzaani gw'ayagala ate n'abandeetera kyewuunya n'okukyewuunya nzaani ntambula ne Yezu mu kkubo ly'abalungi effunda omwoyo w'amaanyi abeera mu nzannyamba bwentyo ntambula ne Yezu mu kkubo ly'abalungi ayi Mukama otenderezebwa oweebwa ekitiibwa bannange ne Mukama eyabampa abazzukulu n'abaana naye kati mbayita bazzukulu bange mwebaza byonna byankole byabampeera mbasaba bye musaba abibawe n'okwagalana kubeerewo naddala ekirabo eky'obulamu ate neneebaza abaana bange abaabanzaalira omanye empisa zivaawa waka edda wezaalinga era okulaba omwana ng'amagguka nga neeri mu bakadde bwatyo naye kati abaleero olaba basula mu bbaala ne bakeesa nze ngezeeko mu ndongo nga maze kufumbirwa n'omwami wange tugenzeko ku mikolo naye oba okutulaba ku mikolo nga ono taata ono maama ogendako emanju taata nsaba gendako nti kale genda manju ate n'okomawo naye ab'ennaku zino bw'atakeeseza mu ndongo amanya
mwaka ki ogwo
emyaka mingi n'embwongo tegikyalimu
gyasiimuukamu
golowooza kati nyina emyaka emeka mukubali mukundowolereza
7
maama nzaali mukinana mukyenda ngenda koona kyenda n'ekintu
95
ndi mukyenda naye kyenda mu ekyo ebbumba eryaffe si yebyeno eryammwe ebibumbabumba
kyokka eryaffe
nendi eyaffe nze ntandise okulya ku butto nga ndina muntu mukulu nnyo fe akanyama kaffe nga tukalirira bulungi nnyo 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 oba maama akasibye mu luwombo oba bakateese mu seffuliya
So I could get a little hold of what a daddy could give. I saw my dreams fade in the streams of the ironic water has a sat on the streets. Sometimes I wish my dreams were real. I would have been a little different in viewing me. I saw my hopes fade in the streams of the ironic water has a sat on the streets. He had up on me even if you brought me roses. My grandmama told me every day I know it. It took a little longer to truly appreciate who I am and stop holding to illusions that can haunt in my mind. Surely I've seen it sitting on the sea, so the world keep on turning around till you hear a bingo. They told me about a God, I wanna know him more. He told me to be humble so we could let me know. He had up on me, had up on my clothes, Head up on my story, head up on my glory. It's all about you. You brought me this far from nowhere. I give you all the glory. You deserve much better, I know this. I'm running back to my roots in the fast lane. Hoping you could have me on the same day. Gracious, nice, no scared. They was looking at me saying that I'm so fake. And we've been rolling many years under this red. I feel a strong hand on me, my chest. I'ma press a little harder with no games. Cause I know where I'm going, not no stress. Sometimes I wish you were sitting right beside me. I would definitely be the lending shoulder when I'm crying. It's a little bit of me, it's what it takes. And I'ma let the rest of God, He knows best. It really doesn't matter if my life is boring. In your eyes, that's the only view of His glory. Come and dwell in me, Holy Spirit. Cause you made my eyes see clearly. He had upon me, head up on my clothing, head up on my story, head up on my glory. It's all about you. You brought me this far from nowhere. I give you all the glory. You deserve much better, and I know this. Now you got a testimony, and I say it's binding you. So let the world.
naye ng'osiibye otya? Kale oli bulungi?
Anti nina kamukakono kokka kenywakeneddeko ate munnange ndi mulwadde erwadde lijja kukwatira bweru.
Jajja osiibye otya?
Kajuisi okaguzeewaako? Bakatunda okudduuka? Tekanyogoga? Tekakola bubyako? Amiina. Kituufu.
Kalimu ne ka ice. Jajja kanira baagiggyeko ku mukono. Eddagala lyawedde.
Babadde nga bamundiramu bampadde kati
No scared, they was looking at me saying that I'm so fake. Now we've been rolling many years under this red. I feel your strong hand on me, my chest. I'ma press a little harder with no games. Cause I know where I'm going, not no stress. Sometimes I wish you were sitting right beside me.
Mukama byabadde asibyasuulule abampeerera eddala bye basinga okwetaaga n'okundabirira nze akawala akato Mukama neeyanziza sikyakaaba era nzitadde mugamba owulira sooka owulira baana bange 11 bali muki mutaka nasigazizano naye kakati abaana Mukama beyampa sikaaba era mugamba nti taata wolabanga nsuubulisiiseemu ak'obuntu ko tekabulamu naye mpulira essanyu
Kale bakuyita?
Mukama yeebale kubankuumira abampeera eddala eryesinga
Day 2, day 3, 3 days later.
My roots in the fast lane, hoping you could have me on the same day. Gracious, nice, no scared. They was looking at me saying that I'm so fake. Now we've been rolling many years under this red. I feel your strong hand on me, my chest. I'ma press a little harder with no games. Cause I know where I'm going, not no stress. Sometimes I wish you were sitting right beside me. I would definitely be the lending shoulder when I'm crying. It's a little bit of me, it's what it takes. And I'ma let the rest of God, He knows best. It really doesn't matter if my life is
obudde bwonna naatendanga Omukama obudde bwonna naatendanga Omukama emirembe gyonna ze nungi nnyo sibula kye ndigambako nammwe abankoledde n'omutima ogungi oguti mbaagala ate nensonyiwanga wembanga mbayiseeko nga sibabuuliriza nenkoonanga nga kumutijjajja kubanga amagezi nafuuka kabebi. Mwebaziza nnyo bannange, mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala okunkolera n'omutima ogumu bwe buti. N'aba abandeetera Mukama abongere ekirabo ky'obulamu ate nampa abantu abatuufu.
Jjajja mbadde nsaba ebintu tetuddamu kuteekamu bintu bingi kubanga ebyo bintu bireeta obulwadde. Ebbugu mu kasita liba lingi n'enfuufu nga nnyingi n'ebintu nga biri wano ewalitossa bulungi obeera ojja kuddamu olwale. Ne katolaba kano akawewo tekalina wekakulwaliza atudde bulungi.
Mukama yeebale kubampa abazzukulu kubanga nze mbayita bazzukulu.
Yebalekeyo.
Kale.
Nneebaza n'omwami eyasobodde obbawa ku ssente. Mukama Katonda n'abatuleetera ne mutukolera ennyumba yake okubasiwe yabadde ekibuse nnyo 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 ddala. Tweyanza nnyo, tweyanzeege.
Ow'enkejja, ow'ennakatu, ow'entamwenjaliira, ndikumu ekyokulya n'ekulya obw'omwoyo. Mukama akuwa ekirabo ky'obulamu obeere omuwala omulungi mpaka n'ekisa kyo. Ate oba oli mufumbo akuwa omusajja omutuufu nga mwagalana nga Yozefu ne Bikira Mariya bwe baali.
Amina.
Ekitiibwa kyennyina katiire okudaaza omwana w'eggulu enjani maama nzanya koolwa nzanya kyaliddwa nzanya sembezebwa leero omwalayo Mukama alinjagala nga bwonjagala era sangwawa bweyawaayo n'obulamu bwe bwakunjagala Katonda yeebale yeebale nnyo Katonda yeebale yeebale nja kumwagalanga
Emirembe gyonna.
nja kumwagalanga okuteddeza abaana bennyina ku nsi kuno bali ku bwami ayi Mukama bw'aba mpandikwebaza bazzukulu bennyina ku nsi bali ku bwami ayi bw'aba mpandikwebaza
I also want to say thank you to this brother of mine. This is a friend who stays just next to where these old women stay. He kept on helping me throughout this whole process, advising me on where to buy things cheaply and how to go about certain things, especially with the renovation, handling these engineers and the builders. He was really amazing. Thank you so much, Vincent. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. In case you have anything to say, kindly write it down below in the comment section, and also tell us what you think about today's renovation. Otherwise, I appreciate the love and support. May God bless you guys for me abundantly. See you in the next video. Bye bye.